Hi everyone, good morning. So today I'm going to start over with Python programming. Okay, so this is not for who are well versed in Python programming. No, this is for the students and the people, kind of 12th students, 11th students, or 10th students, yeah, school going students who just want to learn or want to get some idea on which programming language they can go with, right? So for them, I'm just going to give a heads up. Okay, in the upcoming session, I'll be showing you with the topics and the example for code for that particular topic. But in today's session, it's kind of an introduction. So we are going to learn Python programming from scratch. Okay, so it's not about any history like how it exists. No, not that thing. Just the thing kind of installations and how many environment we have in Python and how it goes. All those things, right? So if you are a student interested in learning Python programming, so look no further. In this comprehensive Python tutorial for beginners, we will guide you through the essential steps to get started with the Python. Okay, like from setting up your development environment to mastering the basics of Python programming. So this video will provide you with a solid foundation if you are having zero idea about programming knowledge, right? Please don't worry, I am going to start it from the scratch, right? So it's a quick introduction session. So let me take my pen. Fine. Right. So now we are going to learn Python programming from the scratch. Okay. So what is the first point? This is a popular programming language as because only knowing this, you people would have been come to see the videos in YouTube, right? So it's a popular programming language and it's a very, very great choice. Okay, if you have selected it, it's a very great choice for beginners, right? So what and all we need to set up? Okay, let me list it out one by one. Let me clear this. Okay, so first thing, what you need to set up is set up your development environment, right? So please set up your development environment. This is nothing but installing. Okay, installing. I'll show you a few environments like where you can write your Python code and practice, right? And where I did as well. I just did writings, everything, and practiced all those things. I will show you. And you can take it any one environment which is comfortable, which is very much okay for you, and you can start over with it. Okay, so first thing, install Python on your computer. Okay, so development environment is nothing but install Python. Okay, install Python on your computer. So please, you can download the latest version, right? Download the latest version of Python from the official website. So what is the official website of Python? Python to not to download Python is python.org. Okay, simply go to python.org, right, and follow the instructions for your OS, whatever operating system you are using, whether it is Windows or Mac. You will be having instructions how to install in this, or it may be Linux. Just follow the instructions, go to python.org, follow the instructions and download it. Let me show you one time. Right? Simple. Okay, I'm already in my Google. Let me clear this out. Okay, simple. Go to Google. Python download is already there. See, python.org. Right? So go here and please download the latest version. See, for Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, other. So you have this. Once you have clicked on download, it just takes you to the path how you can download and install it. Okay, this is one type. And also we have Anaconda installer. You can install the Anaconda. It's a complete package. Okay. Just go here. Free download Anaconda. You can download it. Once you download Anaconda, this symbol will exist. This kind of conda symbol. Okay. If you open that, once it is downloaded, if you open it, you can see a lot of environments here. Okay. But our need is Jupyter. Just install or launch Jupyter and Spider. These two things. Okay. Jupyter and Spider. Okay. PyCharm community also people use this PyCharm community, but it's not that much in use. Okay. Jupyter nowadays in IT, Jupyter is widely used, and Spider also is used because for beginners, I'm talking about for beginners, this will be very much helpful. How? I'll tell you. See, I've launched the Spider and I've kept it over here, right? So let me close this. Let me open the new file. Okay, so here, if you see here, let me zoom in. Okay, if you see here, this is automatically comes up. This is today's date. Okay, I'm just opening the file today's date, and this is author. That is my system name. If you have given your name, then it will pop up over here. Okay. So these are the Explorer where you can see the output and all those things. Once if you run the code, I'll show you in the next session. Okay, now we will talk about only the introduction part. So this is one environment, and we have Google Colab as well. Okay, this is Google. Simply type in Google Colab. That's it, Google Colab in Google, and you'll get it. File, new notebook. Okay, so this is one environment where you can practice your codes. Okay, this is one environment. You can simply write the code and practice it. And one more environment, you still have it in here, that is Jupyter Notebook. So we have Jupyter, Spider, Google Colab. Right? For beginners, if you prefer Spider, then that is a very good environment where we can practice it. Fine. So, okay, let me show that. It is opening. Simple, just launch it, that's it. Okay, this is my kernel where I can run through my codes. I can practice my codes. Same like Google Colab. It's a notebook. Same, Google Colab is also a notebook. Okay, so first thing, choose your environment, friends. Okay, our students, freshers, everybody, I mean here. First of all, set up your environment. Okay, which environment we are going to practice it. But while I am practicing it, I will show you everything. Okay, I'll show you how to write the codes in Spider, Colab, Jupyter, everything. Because when I started my career, nobody was there to tell me, okay, where I can write my codes. Right? I know Python. Okay, I know, okay, some black screen, coding screen is there. That thing I know. Okay, I'm not sure how to proceed with that. Okay, where I should write the codes and where my output will come in and where I can view my data sets. So a lot of things are there. We will slowly go one by one. Okay, so from scratch, I'm going to show you, friends. Please watch this video fully so that you can able to come up and start over without any problem. Okay, first just set up your environment, installation, everything. And next is choose a learning resource. Okay, learning resource is nothing but a proper resource where they are telling you the step-by-step procedure on how to follow up with the codes, writing the codes, and understanding it. Okay, that is, there are many resources available to learn Python. Okay, including online tutorials I'm talking about, textbooks we have, and video courses. And some other options like online tutorials, websites. Websites means we have something like code. See, let me write it. Right? Code Academy and W3 schools. This python.org, this website also, right, offer free interactive tutorials that can help you grasp the basics of Python. Okay, no, ma'am, no. Like if I want only books, if you guys prefer books, reading books, you can try with Python Crash Course book. Okay, if you want to go with books. Okay, so we have a lot more. This is kind of one of in the top. Okay. Also, we have some other options like video courses. If you want to prefer video courses, you can go ahead with Udemy, Coursera, all those things are there. Okay. Why I'm giving all this is there is a wide opportunities available all over around you. Okay. But still, I just want to show because here everything will be in high level. But just see how as when I was a student, nobody told me which skill I need to develop to get into IT. Now you all know that data science full stack developer or the very, very leading job opportunities which is paying high salaries. So we need to upskill us to in that level, right? So that we can go into that fields, right? Top fields. So everything is AI in future team. Okay, friends, everything going to be AI. Okay, so machine learning, everything, right? So we need to prepare us in order to overcome that. So that is the reason I want to catch hold of the students and the 12th, maybe 10th, 11th, 12th students, college going students or final year students, those who literally want to know these skills, please follow my channel so that I will be uploading each and everything in the upcoming videos step by step from the scratch. No complicated things, all scratch only. Okay, because I'm promising you, nobody here are a very good coder. Okay, even the person who taught me, who are working with me, nobody's a perfect coder. Everybody do copy paste. Right? Fine. So this is the next thing, learning resource. Right? So let me erase it, erase these things, and we'll go with the third point. Right? So what is the third one? Is learn the basics. That is what I'm going to do here. Right? Yeah, you can do machine learning, everything automated because 2 to 3 lines of codes, if you run it, you're going to get the models. But we need to learn the basics. Okay, so start with the fundamentals of Python programming, learn about variables. See, this is an introduction session. I will tell you what and all we are going to teach, but still, I'm just writing it here, right? So we will cover it in the next session. So data types, what does data types means? Kind of numbers, strings, lists, and dictionaries. We have all those things. Okay, dictionaries. Functions, inbuilt functions, a lot of things we have. Okay, so understanding all those things is this is called foundation. Foundation is nothing but, friends, if some person or your friends in your friends group, okay, in school or college, if one guy is very good in communication, he is able to speak in front of others, he can go to the stage and give a very good lecture because he has got a very good foundation. You would have studied in a central board of secondary education and of CBSE syllabus, where they will give the skills like a very good communication. So from LKG, they are speaking English. So it is not that much big task for him to speak in English in front of everybody, right? So that is the reason the foundation is very, very important. Okay, what we study in the basic, that is going to teach you in the whatever upskill you do, whatever peak you go, that foundation is going to help you, right? Next, fourth is practice writing code, right? I practice teaching people, so I get all the knowledge of Python. Okay, if I miss something, I'll go refer and I'll come and teach the students. Okay, so practice writing code, right? So learning program is best done by doing practice. Okay, if it is simple code, print my name, type it, open the environment, that is Spider, Google Colab, Jupyter, open it, print, and the statement. Okay, so the simple exercise, you need to proceed with it. Okay, so once we have gone through these things, right? So let me clear it. And the fourth thing, what you're going to follow is, yeah, we talked about practice as a fourth. Fifth is join a community. Okay, either subscribe my channel and keep it so that your pop-up will come for each and every code practices and the programming ideas, everything. Or else join the community in LinkedIn, right? They will update you, you can read through it. So join a community, engage with the Python community to get support and learn from others, right? And see, network is a very big thing we need to do, team or my friends. Networking with other learners or experienced programmers can provide valuable insights and guidances. So this is important. Next, finally, you can start working on projects. Okay, so once you have got a good grasp of the basics, start working on small projects to apply your knowledge. Okay, real world project is going to help you at the end. But in order to go here, we need to be very strong in basics. Okay, fine. Finally, keep learning. Okay, my humble advice, keep learning. Okay, so remember, learning programming tasks, times, and practices. Be patient, persistent, and don't hesitate to ask questions when you encounter difficulties. Okay, so learn Python programming from the scratch. So this is my I'm just going to post the videos in the upcoming regarding all the topics. So this is an introduction about Python. This is mainly my target is to focus only on the students, the school going students or the college students, those who are who doesn't have any idea on which path to go on. So if you are interested in going to IT field, I'm telling you, artificial intelligence is very important, and that is booming nowadays. Okay, I'm working as a data scientist, right? So what I thought, okay, nobody was there to tell me at that time where to go, which path should I go. So I'm just starting it for you all guys. Please support it and follow my videos. Okay, follow it and hope you'll be getting a very good knowledge on it. I'm just going to give a few minutes videos only. Okay, just go through it on daily basis, save it, just read through it. You'll be getting some idea on it. Thank you friends. So we'll see you in the next video.